Good day everyone! I am Ivan Gadjel, DC Cantara from Grade 3 Simplicity. Today, we are going to learn about kilometers and meters. But first, let's have a bike ride. Finally, we are done biking. Did you know that we just biked for 1 kilometer? Meaning we biked for 1,000 meters. I got that answer because the kilometer you have, you must multiply it by 1,000 meters. So that's how I got the answer. Example, 5 kilometers, multiply it by 1,000 meters equals to 5,000 meters. So, if you want to learn about kilometers and meters, talk to me. Thank you and God bless you all.